Hinduizem pozna več nivojev manifestacije božanskega. Šiva tako predstavlja univerzalno zavest, šakti, pa univerzalno silo. Prav tako imajo v hinduizmu pomembno mesto in vlogo ženski aspekti Boga, torej boginje in njihove specifične kvalitete srčnosti, ljubezni in služenja.
This is the most important thing to understand, that there is He God and She God. We worship Radha Krishna. We are commonly known for singing Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And half of these words are referring to the feminine principle in God. Because everything in existence is always in pairs. There's always a male and a female. And even though in some periods of history male is predominating, there's always a saying that behind every great man there is a great woman. So as far as impersonal aspect of feminine principle, it's all pervading. Everything is pervaded by these two. And we definitely are in desperate need of the proper balance. Because what is the male principle? It's the logic, rationality. What was the female principle? It's the tolerance, kindness, love. So these same principles are reflected in the Supreme Lord. So the Supreme Lord is eternally the Supreme Masculine, but also the Supreme Feminine, who manifests the Supreme Beauty and, what's most important for us, His Supreme Compassion. She's the Supreme Compassion. And, in which side of God are we more interested in? In the side of a judge or the side of a compassion? What is more important for us? So that's why you can see that in every religion there will always be present some feminine principle. Krishna is the name of the Lord, which means all attractive. So if somebody is all attractive, it includes all the other qualities. And Radha means the supreme worshipper. And it's interesting that in most of Indo-European languages, her name is present very widely. Even like in Slovenian, when we say uredu, this red coming from the Indo-European rad, which is the same word as in the word Radha, which means a good arrangement. So red, that's a good arrangement. Or urad, or all the words that contain these syllables, rad or red. So she is the supreme worshipper, she's the supreme devotee, she's the supreme lover. And her qualities are kindness, love, and service.
So when we are connected with our heart energy, this is also our connection with God and with this feminine principle of God.
Mundaka Upanishad says that in every heart there is like a tree with two birds. One bird is the soul and the other bird is the Lord. And the soul is busy eating bitter and sweet fruits of his karma. Some of us have more bitter, some of us have more sweet, but still there are bitter fruits. And the other bird is waiting. When will you finally notice me? So in the heart, there is the soul and there is the Lord. And the Lord is always accompanied by His energy, by His Shakti. There is no meaning to the word God if He doesn't have energies. Otherwise, what's the meaning of the word God? So His energy, that's the female principle. Even in ordinary life, oftentimes there is a woman who is an inspiration behind everybody. So this can be one's wife, or this can be one's mother, this can be one's sister. She is helping a man to find some energy. She is providing man with his energy. And the same energy is also present in the Lord. So He's always accompanied with the Lord. So when we engage in loving service, we are connecting back with Him.